good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a little try on for you guys. This is actually part 2 of my Stitch Fix video for this month. According to you guys' feedback, a lot of you guys do appreciate when I do 2 different videos, so I decided to split it up yet again. I haven't done a Stitch Fix video series in a few months, I think possibly May or June. So this has been a long time coming and I'm very excited about it. If you missed my last video, it was the unboxing part where I talked about how Stitch Fix works, and I showed you guys all of the items directly out of the box, my reactions and the pricing. So all that is going to be up in the cards and also in the description box for you. In my last video, I also explained the Reader's Digest version of what Stitch Fix is. The super short version is that it's a personal shopping service where they deliver clothes directly to your house and you decide what you want to keep and mail back the stuff that you don't want to keep. As I've said before in multiple videos, I am not directly sponsored by Stitch Fix, but just like everyone else who uses Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link in my description of my video, and all you have to do is click on it, and if you sign up and schedule a fix, you will get, I think it is about $20-ish. It changes month to month, so I can't say exactly based on when you're going to be watching this, off of your first fix, and then I also get that same amount back for credit for purchasing things from my fixes. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you watched my last video, then you guys already know that I'm not as pumped for this fix as I have in fixes past. There's nothing wrong with the stylist who did my fix. However, I did get a new stylist this time and I'm a little bit disappointed, so that makes me really sad. Anyways, let's get into trying on these items because I only have about half an hour or so before little man wakes up from his nap, and I don't want to have to worry about him bursting in on us. So without further ado, let's try on some stuff. So the first item I am going to, well, I'm actually not going to try on this item, but I am going to show it to you and explain to you why I'm not going to try it on. So that item is a pair of shoes. I'm actually not going to be trying this item on today because I already have a lot of brown shoes for the autumn, and I don't really see the purpose of trying on a pair of shoes that I'm not going to need because I'm only tempted to buy them. Also, I've noticed that this, is it this one? Yeah, already has a little bit of wear on the side of the shoe just from the packaging, and I don't want to purchase something that has damage on it. And also, I mean, I just am not a big fan of the shoe, so I don't see the purpose in trying it on. The other piece of feedback I wanted to put out for my stylist, which is actually the main reason I make these videos, is because my stylist gets to see how it fits and see my candid opinions on the items. I did ask in my style quiz specifically not to be sent shoes, and shoes arrived. So I'm really sorry, I'm not gonna buy these. I don't want to try them on because I specifically asked you not to put them into the box. So this is really disappointing, and I really wish you didn't put them in here because it's a waste of postage, shipping weight, and time, because I'm definitely not gonna buy these items. All right, anyways, let's move on to another item I'm going to be trying on, which is going to be this sweater. I wasn't planning on trying on this sweater first, but that's totally fine. Also, as you guys who've been here before have probably noticed, I am wearing my signature try-on outfit. It's just a pair of leggings and a long sleeve t-shirt because it lets me see with the color whether or not things are see-through, and it also keeps anyone else's yuckiness from touching my skin so I can wash these clothes before I wear them. Anyways, let's try on this sweater. I showed it to you guys in the last video, but it is a gray sweater with a cowl net with like a drawstring, which I don't necessarily think that I like, but we will see what happens when I try it on. Okay, we've changed and I have the sweater on, and so far I really love the texture of the fabric. It's super soft, which at least my new stylist got that part right. I love soft things. Or maybe she just sent it in, I don't know. But anyways, let's take a little step back and see how it looks. It hits just below the crotch area, which is fine. I don't mind a long sweater. And honestly, looking into it and looking at it in the mirror, I have a mirror in this corner of my office, I actually really like how it looks for the most part. However, there's one major reason why I don't think I'm gonna buy this, and you guys have probably already figured it out because it's pretty awful, and it's this hideous collar. I don't know what to say other than it's really bad. I like the idea of what they tried to do with the cowl sweater, but what ruins it for me is these hideous drawstrings, and I feel like the drawstrings kind of make it too loungewear-y for me to wear out in public. I mean, I could theoretically take the drawstring out, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to spend, I don't even know how much this one costs, but I don't know if I want to buy anything that has something I really hate on it because I would end up cutting it off anyway. But to be completely honest, as I've already said, the ugly cowl kind of ruins this sweater for me. Otherwise, I really like it. I think the cool printed sleeves give it a little bit visual interest. I feel like a gray sweater can be really boring without some visual interest or some like buttons or something, but yeah, sad bananas. I don't like. All right, let's try something else. So now I have changed my outfit and I am wearing the t-shirt dress, and I'm sure you guys can probably already tell by my attitude what I think about it. I actually quite like the color. A little torn on it, but I'm going to show it to you guys first and I'll explain why I'm not sure whether or not I like it. So again, I'm a little bit too short for you guys to see the length of it, but it hits me at about mid-thigh. Actually, I can go like this. Hits about at mid-thigh, and I think this sweater dress is actually pretty cute. I've honestly never worn sweater dresses before just because I feel like the plain color ones look just really boring and not that cute, but I actually really like this one a lot. Although now, looking back at it from further away, I'm starting to have mixed feelings again, you guys. Now let's talk about the things that I don't like about it. So I'm gonna move back just a little bit so you guys can see, but I talked about this in the last video, but there's a sewn pocket right here on the dress, which is probably useful if you use a lot of things that you would put in this little pocket, but if you don't, then it's kind of a pointless detail. And what I don't like about it is, as you guys can see, it's difficult to see from further away on camera, but there is a inconsistency in the way that the artwork is on the dress. So you can see very clearly like where there's part of a flower and then not a flower, which is kind of weird. So I kind of have mixed feelings about it. Although to be fair, I wear my hair down 90% of the time, so you probably won't see it anyway, but I don't know. The other thing I'm not sure on is I just don't know what I truly think about the floral print. I like florals, but usually when I buy florals, they're like tiny florals. I feel like really big florals kind of take away and distract from the person who's wearing the garment. That just might be me, but that's my personal opinion. So yeah, I don't know about this. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Although I'm pretty sure I'll have made my decision by the time this is posted. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to trying on my last two items in the box. And I'm actually gonna try them on at the same time because it's a sweater and a trouser, and I'm pretty sure that my stylist figured out that maybe I would wear them together, so it makes sense for me to try them on at the same time. So I'll see you in a second. All right, I'm ready. The question is, are you guys ready? As you guys can tell, my face gives me away all the time. I really like this sweater so far. I'll show it to you guys a little bit further back so you guys can kind of see how everything looks. The gray sweater is really nice. I actually really like how it looks. I know you guys didn't see it before, but it has these little buttons right here. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about them. At first I thought they were really cute, but I don't know, now I think that they're kind of weird. But theoretically I could just take them off because they're just sewn in by a little thread. So I don't know about that. But overall I think the sweater looks fine. I mean, it's a very basic, like everyday gray sweater, which would be great for the autumn and this coming winter because it is going to be really, really, really cold in Yorkshire. Other thing that I kind of like about this, well, oh, dang it. That makes me so sad. There's this like cuffed part of the sweater, and I thought that I could like uncuff it and make the sweater, the sleeve longer, but apparently I cannot do that, which is kind of sad. Well, I guess I kind of can, but it looks really weird from the inside. So that's a little bit of a bummer. If I were to manufacture this, I would probably not sew this down, but anyways, I do like the option of having the sleeves a little bit longer if I want them to, and to be honest, they're pretty long on me anyways. And now we're going to talk about the trousers, which I actually really like these trousers. However, there's just one little problem here. That makes it really sad. In Yorkshire, it is hovering at about 55 or 60 every single day now. And at this point, like wearing a cropped trouser and buying a cropped trouser is basically pointless because it's already way too cold for a cropped trouser. Cropped trouser, that's it. Cropped trouser. So I like the trousers. I mean, they fit okay. I think that they look really cute. The only problem with these is it's already way, way too cold for them. So that makes me really sad. But I mean, this would be a cute outfit if I lived somewhere where it wasn't already basically too cold to wear cropped trousers. So stylist, I respect what you tried to do, but you obviously didn't read my profile, or maybe you did. You thought maybe I could wear it with leggings underneath it or something. I don't know, but I'm very sad. Anyways, yeah, overall, this fix is definitely not my cup of tea, but that's to be expected when you get a no stylist, and I mean, it's partially her fault, as it's both of our faults. If I had known I was getting a new stylist, I would have linked all of my videos in the description of my little like upcoming fix information, but I didn't know I was getting a new stylist, so that's partially on me. But I guess what I'm really trying to say with this is I'm not trying to throw too much shade at her because it is her first time styling for me, so it's to be expected that your first fix is not going to go very well. If you guys look back to my very first fix that I got, I don't even remember when it was, but I'll actually put my first fix up in the cards in the description if you guys want to see it, that shows you guys kind of like what my first fix was like. I always feel like your first fix with a new stylist or your first fix ever is just not going to be very good because your stylist hasn't gotten a chance to know you yet. So yeah, no shade to you, stylist. I'm a little bit disappointed, but it is what it is, and if I had known, I would have tried a little bit harder. Anyways, overall for the items, as you guys know, I'm definitely not keeping the shoes and I'm not keeping the trousers. I like the color of them, but I mean, it's too cold. And then when it comes to the sweater and the dress, I think I'm gonna keep the sweater because I do really like the color and the thickness of it. The dress, I would say I'm 50-50, so I'll let you guys know down here whether or not I decide to keep the dress. But I do like the idea of the dress because I feel like it would go really well with a white cardigan that I have and a black cardigan that I have, and I could kind of flip them back and forth. So yeah, I guess that's the end of the video for now. If you guys do want to try Stitch Fix, once again, I do have my link in the description of this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to do that. And in the comment section, let me know which of these items you think looks best on me, and if you were me, which ones you would have chosen to keep, because I'm always interested in seeing what you guys think. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.